Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you to the royal food of Pakistan. This is the best and delicious food you had ever tasted in your life. So make this recipe and enjoy it with tortilla wraps or naan, whatever you like. And you will absolutely love this. This is known as Mughlai chicken. So let me tell you how to make this wonderful royal chicken. First of all, I have taken whole glass of water into a pan. I'm gonna pour it, and with that I'm gonna turn on the stove on little flame, and I'm gonna add half kg mixed chicken, not the boneless, but it's the mix. And I'm gonna mix it with the help of a spoon. Wait until it starts boiling, and with that I've added 4 dried chilies and 5 to 4 chopped green chilies. Now I'm gonna give it a mix with the help of the spoon. Butter cubes optional. If you want to add butter cubes, you can add it. If you don't want to add, that's up to you. Now I'm gonna add coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. With that, I'm going to give it a quick mix with the help of a spoon. And you can see the water started to change its color. I mentioned before that I've added green chilies. You can decrease or increase the amount of green chilies. If you like more spices, you can add more. If you like less spices, you can add less. And I'm gonna place lid for like 5 to 8 minutes, and now I've taken off the lid, and you can see a lot of steams coming out of the pan. And with that, I'm gonna add some salt into it. I have taken salt according to my preference. You can use salt according to your taste. Well, some people have to use less salt because of their high blood pressure, so you can use this according to your taste. Moving to our next procedure, we're going to add 1 glass of milk into it, and we're going to give it a good stir so that the milk and the mixture of water and the spices is completely mixed. And with that, I'm going to place a lid onto it and wait for it to start boiling. While the milk is getting boiled, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon. You just hit that and you will be updated by my latest videos from the first go. Now you can see the chicken has become soft, and we are going to wait until the milk turn out to be less. The quantity of milk turn out to be less. With that, I'm going to add cumin, about 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to give it a good mix. And you can see the milk has changed its color, like it turned out to be yellowish. And once it started turning out to be yellowish, we're going to add fresh cream, a whole pack of fresh cream. It's available on any supermarket. There are like a lot of brands of fresh creams. You can add it. So with that, I'm gonna take some dry fruits. I'm gonna place it onto it. I have taken mixed dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, and etc. Whatever you like. Well, you can also add raisins in it, and I'm going to give it a mix for like 5 minutes. Not completely mixing it, but let's wait for the cream to get boiled, and our dish is about to be done after 5 minutes. And you can see the cream has started to be getting boiling, and now I'm going to place it into a beautiful dish or a presentable plate or a bowl, and I'm gonna add or place some of the nuts onto it for garnishing. Now you can see I've taken it out into a beautiful presentable dish. It's a Pakistani traditional dish, and I have garnished my recipe or my food with some nuts onto it or dry fruits. I have used traditional Pakistani dish because we were making a traditional recipe, so it should be presented in the traditional pot. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do try this recipe at home. Till then, goodbye.